Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you this project. This is an JEOL scanning electron microscope. Its model number is JEOL 5600. So I just got the uh, column and the sample chamber and nothing else. Of course, the detectors. So I built this whole bunch of system by myself. I bought some stainless steel and I welded them together and hooked up a turbomolecular pump and a mechanical pump. This is the old pump that I've been used before. This is labeled D4A mechanical pump, two-stage mechanical pump. It it can be used, but a little bit slower. So I changed a new pump. This is a two-stage mechanical pump. This pump is basically a Fiverr DUO060, but made in China. I use a three-phase motor to control this pump. This is the power supply of the turbomolecular pump made by Fiverr. This is a 24 volts power supply. It supplies the ion gauge and the pinning gauge and the Pirani gauge. Now I'm not using the Pirani gauge. It basically is in atmosphere. You can see here ATM, atmosphere. This is the pinning gauge. Its model number is IKR 200A1. I'm not using this gauge because it's not so accurate. This is a sensor 2 ionization gauge. It's HP number. Down here is another penny gauge. This is the sensor. It's made in Edwards. I'm not using it in this experiment. This is another Pirani gauge. I'm not using this experiment. So this is the sample stage of the microscope. Okay, X, Y, and Z. This is the rotation of the sample stage. Now, I'm just using the mechanical pump. It's basically get 1.5 times minus 3. Okay. Now I will just turn on the turbomolecular pump. Okay. Okay. And hit this set button, set the 60% speed. So I just can't hear the noise. This pipe, this stainless steel pipe is rumbling. Okay, when the turbo pump is spinning up, all these things can be rumbling together and make a horrible noise. So I just use the 60 speed to get rid of this. Okay, you can hear the turbo pump is speeding up and get the speed 60%. Okay, the vacuum level is down to 1.10 to the 10 minus 4th torque. So in this range, we can open up the power supply of the filament and the high voltage. But now we are not in use this. So, oh, by the way, I built this particular one. Use these springs to make a shaking proof stage. Okay, just basically this microscope itself. So you can see it can be moved. Okay, thanks for watching. See you next time.